Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of May 8th, 2022, Part 1. This week's theme is trees. Chicka Chicka Boom Boom by Bill Martin Jr. and John Archambault, illustrated by Lois Ellert. A told B and B told C, I'll meet you at the top of the coconut tree. We, said D to E, F, G, I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Chicka chicka boom boom, will there be enough room? Here comes H up the coconut tree. And I and J and tag along K, all on their way up the coconut tree. Chicka chicka boom boom, will there be enough room? Look who's coming, LMNOP. And Q, R, S, and T, U, V. Still more W and X, Y, Z, the whole alphabet up the... Oh no! Chicka chicka boom, boom. Skit scat scoodle doot, flip flop flee, everybody running to the coconut tree. Mamas and papas and uncles and aunts hug their little dears, then dust their pants. Help us up, cried ABC. Next from the pile up, skinny D and stub-toed E and patched up F, then comes G, all out of breath. H is tangled up with I, J and K are about to cry, L is knotted like a tie. M is looped, N is stooped, O is twisted, alley-oop, skit scat scoodle doot, flip flop flee. Look who's coming, it's black-eyed P, Q, R, S, and loose-toothed T. Then U, V, W, wiggle jiggle free, last to come, X, Y, Z, and the sun goes down on the coconut tree. But chicka chicka boom boom, look, there's a full moon. A is out of bed, and this is what he said. Dare, double dare, you can't catch me. I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Chicka chicka boom boom. The end. Alright, so we're going to make a chicka chicka boom boom alphabet tree. What you'll need is your craft to go kit, which is a palm tree. And then you'll have this little baggie here, which contains 3 coconuts, little round circles, and a little pack of alphabet letters. You can see those. They're upside down. That's better. Yours might not be blue. There's lots of different colors of letters that came in the pack that I put together. And then you'll need crayons or markers or paints to color the coconut tree. And you'll also want some glue to stick on your coconuts. But we can put that aside for now. The first thing we're going to do is color the tree. And I've decided to use 2 greens and a brown. The greens for the leaves, obviously. And the brown is for the trunk. Alright, so I have it all colored. I wanted to make it look like the tree was at sunset, but I think I might have gone a little overboard. But still, that's what my tree looks like. The next thing I'm going to do is glue on my coconuts, which I just dropped on. There are 1, 2, and excuse me for a moment while I get number 3. There's 3. And I'm just going to glue them on with my handy dandy glue stick, which of course I've already gotten on my finger. Oops. 11:30 here. That's why the bell rang. got 3 coconuts on the tree. And the last thing we do is put on our letters, and you can put them all over. You can put them all in alphabetical order, or you can mix them all up, because if you recall when they fell, they got all mixed up. Here's my A, gotta pop out the middle part. So we got, put A up there. My letters are a little mixed up on here. They did it so that they could print more on a smaller space. That's all you do. Okay, I'm gonna put my last letter on there, my letter Z. And I did it so my alphabet goes around the tree. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So that's all there is to it. And there's your Chicka Chicka Boom Boom coconut tree.